Good morning to all. Myself, Dr. Prasath, serial number 57. Dear students, today we are going to see the formation of hypothesis. So it is very important in research, especially in quantitative research. What is mean by hypothesis? Hypothesis means nothing. It is a solution to your problem, tentatively. It indicates the different words, tentative answer to the question, help, guess, imaginative ideas, like that. But it is based on some basic fact through search of previous literature reviews or your experience. You set up the formation of hypothesis. So ideally, all research must begin with a testable hypothesis, especially in quantitative research. It should be realistic and considered to be a possible answer to the research problem. Why it is important? It is a torchlight to the researcher. A researcher eye. It focuses a research, formulate a specific and clear objectives, preventing blind research. It link related factors. Especially, it give the direction to the researcher. It give the proper direction to the researcher to avoid the blind research. So today, emphasize on types of hypothesis means there are so many type of hypotheses there, but especially based on how they are derived, hypothesis classified into two categories. One is the inductive hypothesis. This hypothesis derived the hypothesis through the specific to general. In deductive hypothesis, hypothesis is derived from general to specific. But the most important type of hypothesis means null hypothesis and alternative form. It is called research hypothesis. Null hypothesis means nothing. There will be no significant difference between the variables. Here, what no means? No means no significant differences between the group means it's both group are equal. Through the null hypothesis only, you have to check out the type 1 error, alpha error, and type 2 error, beta error. It's correct or not? Type 1 error means rejecting the hypothesis when fact is true. Type 2 error means accepting the hypothesis when the fact is false. Here the example, there will be no significant differences between the men and women means what you mean here the equal of both group. So in other alternative form means it's a significant difference between the variables. Example, there will be any significant differences in fitness between the men and women. So here difference is there, men and women. So these are the very important things in formulation of hypothesis, especially in quantitative research. So null form means there is no relationship between the variable. In research form or alternative form means the relationship between the variables. Thank you, students. Thank you for giving the university authorities, Guru Nanak Dev Universities, Punjab, for giving this opportunity.